邱瑞平女士嘅離開，我哋係非常之悲痛同埋唔捨得。我哋失去咗一位整個大家族嘅大家長。我姑媽雖然喺好細嗰時18歲就認識我大姑丈結婚，就離開咗家鄉，同埋移過去澳門、香港同埋後尾嚟到美國。但係佢對於留喺家鄉嘅父母，細佬同我妹妹個感情從來都係非常之深厚。姑媽同埋大姑丈喺幾十年間，其實喺佢哋自己唔係好富裕嘅情況之下，對於外家嘅支持係不遺餘力。特別係已故嘅大姑丈，對於從未見過面嘅我父親嗰一輩，佢資助真係勢不能得。我哋湯家幾代人得到姑媽嘅恩贈，包括喺50、60年代、70年代，我阿公、我阿婆個老年嘅生活，我父親一輩嘅讀書嘅資助，到80年代，我哋幾個家庭，因為我姑媽、大姑丈申請我哋嚟到美國，包括喺美國出生嘅後輩呢，有超過30個人，因為姑媽得以喺呢度有非常好嘅生活。隨住姑媽個離開，我哋係無以回報，只能夠係永遠感恩。姑媽對於我哋呢一輩嚟講呢，係最為尊敬嘅長輩，更加係人生嘅榜樣。佢喺屋企就係敬老愛幼、侍奉公婆、孝敬父母，自己同我大姑丈一齊擁有幾乎完美嘅家庭，悉心培養6個子女成才，後輩幾代人家族繁盛，在外面朋友眾多，每個人都非常喜歡同姑媽來往。作為我哋呢一輩呢，我係得益於姑媽提攜我哋移民嚟美國，同埋對於我哋做人方面更係影響非常之大。我同我細佬阿斌喺40年前跟住父母嚟到 LA， 係我姑媽大姑丈帶領我哋移民嚟到姑媽屋企呢。其實我哋嗰時係第2次同我姑媽見面。第一次係之前4年前喺中國，佢哋係第一次翻到中國嘅時候見過面。但係姑媽對於我哋嚟到呢係無限嘅熱情，係即係當我哋係寶貝咁擁抱咗我哋，我同阿斌，完全消除咗我哋對呢個陌生環境嘅個恐懼同埋不安。呢個就係親情。雖然我以前呢同阿姑媽就冇咩接觸，但係姑媽嘅親情使我哋好快適應個新嘅家園。同埋我因為姑媽，所以我同我表哥表姐佢哋從來都冇任何隔閡。喺我哋成長過程中呢，我哋其實係好隨於姑媽對於我哋對於我嘅睇法嘅。我希望做到自己唔好使到姑媽失望。姑媽呢對於後輩呢一向都係鼓勵誇獎，有時我自己聽到都覺得自己唔好意思，甚至係懷疑自己係咪真嘅有呢個能力咁樣。但係姑媽嘅誇獎呢，對於我哋嚟講嘅自信心係非常重要。我嚟到美國之後呢，好多時候禮拜六，姑媽大姑丈係帶住我去醫廠幫手。喺晏晝嗰時呢，大姑丈更加係帶我出去同佢啲生意嘅朋友一齊食飯。咁多年以後呢，我就明白姑媽大姑丈嘅意思，使我有機會接觸到外面嘅世界，開下眼界。對於我個培養，其實佢哋係有期待嘅。姑媽嘅性格非常受人喜愛，年輕人都中意同佢傾偈。 記得我個女4、5歲嗰時，有一次喺佢屋企，我姑媽開始整到我個女不停咁笑，我自己都冇呢個辦法嘅。呢10幾年咧，我好多時有機會，因為我翻嚟呢度住咧，好多時同我姑媽傾偈，有時傾偈可以傾得好長時間。佢咧對於出邊發生嘅事啊，或者我最近去過邊個地方啊，都好有興趣了解嘅。佢更加係70幾歲嗰時，曾經係一個人去過社會做探訪我哋。姑媽咧係一個非常堅強樂觀嘅人，就算喺以前喺佢哋非常困難嘅時候，係打理自己咁大個家庭，同埋資助我而家。到7年前，我大姑丈過身之後咧，佢自己從來都冇退縮。6年前，更加係又一次翻去中國停留咗成1個月。佢對於自己嘅嘢咧係好有主張，好有控制。佢喺過身前1個禮拜同我講，佢話我放棄啦，我決定放棄啦，要去揾大姑丈，要去陪佢。所以姑媽離開咧係佢自己想做呢個決定，離開我哋去體驗另外一個世界。姑媽係一個非常快樂嘅人，我大姑丈都係好幽默，所以佢哋喺呢個天堂嗰度咧，肯定係非常之 happy。我哋對於姑媽嘅離開，我哋係非常悲痛不捨。我哋係感恩懷念姑媽，感謝姑媽，亦都感謝表哥表姐。I want to say something in English. So, Oguma, things she left China when she was 18, and she married to my big uncle, Mr. Cho Kan, when she was only 18. I mean, they were all 18. And after 30 years, she hasn't been able to get back to China, see her brothers, sister. But even then, she and my uncle have been helping the family in China tremendously. From my grandfather, my grandmother's livelihood, to my father's generation's education. Plus, they bring us all to the U.S. during the 80s. The Tong family just cannot thank enough to Kuma and Daigujel, and also want to thank to my cousins. We are very grateful, and she's always deep in our hearts. Although Kuma has left us 2 weeks ago, personally I feel that she's always around. Her voice is so recognizable. Her presence always brought energy to family gatherings during the past 40 years after I got here. There have been many unforgettable moments with Kuma brought us, to me and my brother Ben. We arrived to the U.S. exactly 40 years ago. 40 years and a month. And it was only the second time we met Kuma. The first time was 4 years before that. And she accepted us with open arms and definitely eased our unease feeling in a completely strange place. Well, there's a lot of memories, but I just want to outline just a few. The first time we went to Disneyland, it was Kuma and some people brought us there. Even though I've been back to Disneyland quite a few times afterward, but it was the only time I remember. And during my last break, she often brought me to the factory. She and Daigujel operated on Santa Barbara. And it was the idea, I understand later that it was the idea she wanted me to get in touch of the the society, maybe learn some business. And in fact, it affected me positively quite a lot. And she's well liked by all age people, from old people to infant, babies. My daughter, when she was 4 years old, and she was giggling with her. It was so amazing. For me personally, she's not only a respect elder in the family, she's also very listening. We could talk hours in her home in Rosemead, and she was genuinely interested in what was happening in the world and the places I have been lately. And she always encouraged me to do things I want to do. And she was able to make you feel like you're more capable than you really are. Well, there are many more I want to say, but how her love and caring impact us positively. Uma, she is an amazing person and had a legendary life. We are so fortunate that I've been part of her life and sad to see her left us. She's always a fun person to be around. And my uncle, Dai Ku James, was also a funny guy, so I'm sure they are happy and having fun in heaven.